Ever felt like your to-do list has grown sentient and is actively plotting against you? The kind that multiplies overnight, swallows deadlines whole, and laughs maniacally as you desperately search for that one crucial note you wrote down somewhere? Yeah, us too. Look, staying organized is a battle, especially when you're flying solo. Maybe you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects, a student with a course load that could rival the Library of Congress, or simply someone who thrives on a meticulously planned life. The struggle is real. But what if there was a way to manage all that chaos without dragging your team into the vortex? What if there was a tool specifically designed to tame the to-do list beast for individuals? Enter Monday.com. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that a project management platform for teams? Traditionally, yes. But here's the secret most productivity gurus won't tell you. Monday.com is a powerhouse for solo flyers too. From chaos to clarity. Why Monday.com works for one. Sure, Monday.com boasts features like team collaboration and workflow automation, but its true beauty lies in its adaptability. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife for organization. Here's how it can transform your solo hustle. Visualize your workflow. Ditch the endless scrolling on notepad apps. Monday.com uses boards, essentially customizable digital canvases where you can break down projects into bite-sized tasks. Think colorful sticky notes on steroids. You can add deadlines, assign priorities, because trust us, not all tasks are created equal, and even track progress visually. Tame the to-do list monster. Remember that ever-growing list of doom? Monday.com lets you create individual items within each board. These items are your tasks, and you can add sub-items, deadlines, and even attach files, all neatly tucked within the bigger picture. No more bouncing between a million different notes. Automate the mundane. Let's face it, some tasks are just tedious. Monday.com's automation features can be your personal productivity fairy godmother. Set up automated reminders, send notifications when deadlines approach, or even move completed tasks to a dedicated done section. It's like having a tiny robot assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes. Stay flexible. Life throws curveballs. Monday.com lets you adapt on the fly. Need to reprioritize tasks? No sweat. Just drag and drop them to a new position on your board. Project taking a different direction? Customize your board to reflect the changes. Monday.com is as flexible as you need it to be. Beyond the basics, power up your productivity. Monday.com goes beyond basic task management. Here's how to unlock its full potential. Templates galore. Feeling overwhelmed by the blank slate? Monday.com offers a treasure trove of pre-built templates designed for everything from content calendars to personal development goals. Just pick one that suits your needs and customize it to your liking. Integrations for the win. Streamline your workflow further by integrating Monday.com with your favorite tools. From Google Calendar to Dropbox, connect your existing apps and let the data flow seamlessly. Get fancy with views. Want to see your data in a different light? Monday.com offers multiple views of your boards. Think calendar view for deadlines, Kanban boards for progress tracking, or even a form view for capturing data. Free forever, almost. Here's the best part. Monday.com offers a free individual plan. It has limitations, but for basic task management and organization, it's a fantastic option. There are also paid plans with more features, but you can always explore the free plan first and see if it fits your needs. Is Monday.com perfect? No tool is a magic bullet. Monday.com has a bit of a learning curve, and its visual interface might feel overwhelming at first. However, its intuitive design and readily available tutorials make it easy to pick up. So, can you use Monday.com for yourself? Absolutely. Whether you're a freelancer juggling projects or a student drowning in deadlines, Monday.com can be your personal command center for organization and productivity. It's time to ditch the chaos and embrace clarity. With Monday.com as your wingman, you can finally conquer that to-do list and reclaim control of your productive mojo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.